Hi, in this video, I make a life hack using a DC motor. At the end of the video, you will understand how useful this is. Put your battery in the box. Add glue gun to the box. And we connect the DC motor to the box. Using a soldering iron, we connect the wires to the DC motor. And then we connect the key. Cut the match for the switch connected to the DC motor. Cut the sandpaper to the required amount. We add gun glue to the bottle cap. After that, we attach the attached sandpaper to the bottle cap. We continue the same process. We separate the excess sandpaper. And we connect the bottle cap to the DC motor. And finally we made a knife sharpener using a DC motor. Subscribe for more videos. You can also polish many of your items using this device. Thanks for watching the video.